I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials that actually make transparent sticky notes possible. Lay down clear polypropylene film and trim it with a ruler to slightly exceed your final note size so you can seal edges later. Once cut, attach a printed template beneath the film to position designs or text. Make sure text is mirrored if you plan to print directly on the film. Apply a very light, even coat of removable acrylic spray adhesive on the film. This creates tack without residue, and you'll be ready to transfer. Now you execute the detailed assembly. If you can, print onto a thin transparency sheet for best clarity. If not, use a toner transfer method to move ink onto the film. This gives sharper, more durable markings. Carefully align the adhesive-coated film over a backing paper, then add a clear protective top layer. Once aligned, seal 3 edges with clear tape or a low-temperature heat sealer, leaving one short edge open, so you can insert or remove backing paper and maintain a reusable adhesive surface. Finish by trimming your notes to size and rounding corners to reduce peeling risk. You want smooth edges for repeated use. You then test on the target surface, glass, plastic, or paper, by pressing the note firmly for several seconds and waiting 10 to 15 seconds to check initial hold. If adhesion is weak or leaves residue, make sure the surface is clean with isopropyl alcohol. If needed, reapply an ultra-thin coat of removable acrylic adhesive to the film. One quick troubleshooting tip: if notes curl, compress between heavy books.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.